morning. So I have an exciting day planned. I have an Organic 2 quiz this morning. So I'm gonna head over to the Chem building early so that I can study and then just go to class. That way I'm not like worrying about catching the bus and stuff. I'm just gonna do that part now. So I've been studying for like probably like a little bit around an hour this morning for my quiz. I don't feel like I've studied enough, and that's my fault. Like, I definitely have not studied enough, but I've been kind of crunching it out this past day or so, so it's a little stressful. Anyways, it's supposed to be a nice day out today. It doesn't look very nice right now, so I'm a little worried. And then I'm going to take my quiz, and then I have an assignment due like very soon after my quiz that I haven't started, so we're gonna crank that out. I'm gonna pack my lunch so that I don't have to worry about getting food. I'm just gonna like pack it so that I have it. Now I'm realizing I don't have any like ice packs. So come with me on this productive day of school. Dang. I should probably put these in the freezer. I got ready, and I think I'm gonna do my makeup at the Chem library, or the Chem whatever it's called, before my quiz, because I want to look a little bit more alive today. I'm gonna go catch the bus because I'm not walking right now. That's too much. And also I just wanted to say I didn't make my bed or clean my room today, so one of those days. I definitely don't do that every day. Don't want to make it seem like I do, because I definitely don't. Doing? There's another one. Oh my gosh, they're so friendly today. Unless they're about to attack. I don't think so. Hi! You're so cute. Hello. So I was gonna go for a walk. Now I'm not feeling it. I'm feeling like taking a nap. And my next class is soon. But I was reading the syllabus, and it was like you get to drop your 3 lowest workshop participation. And my workshop is today. We like work on, we don't even work on anything. We just like talk about the lecture videos. And I've been to all of them, and there's only like 3 weeks left, and we get to drop 3. I'm not gonna skip the other 3, but, and I already understand the material is the biggest takeaway. If I didn't, I would go, but I do, and so I'm not. So I'm going to take a nap instead. I am gonna go put my laundry in the washer and get that started so that when it's drying, I'm taking a nap. And I can take a nap and go up and get it and like kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I am gonna go to the C-store later, so I'll take you guys with me. But that is my update for now. I'm feeling lazy and tired, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So got this laundry backpack, are you kidding? I'll show you guys. All right, I'm gonna go. So I went and did my laundry finally. I haven't gotten it from the dryer. I am doing that, but I just went and picked up a package, and I'm very excited about this package because Liquid IV sent me this and wanted me to try out their products. So in this video, I'm gonna try out their products. You can use my link and code. I will put the code up on the screen and the link in the description if you guys wanna go check it out. They sent me these energy multipliers. This is lemon ginger. Ugh, scared, not because of that, but ginger is like rough. So that is the energy multiplier. I'm just gonna have to get over that because I have PTSD from a juice cleanse where I did ginger. It's actually up on my channel. It's one of my older videos, but it literally killed me. This is the hydration multiplier in tangerine. So this is the other thing that I got. I have been so dehydrated. I used to have like one of those huge water bottles that is like literally like you just drink one or two. I think it's one and you're like done with your water for the day. I hated to clean it, so I stopped using it because I found it inconvenient for me. And I started using smaller water bottles, and then I just kind of downgraded slowly over time. And then I got these two. This is the hydration multiplier in lemon lime. Nice. And then the acai berry. This is the last thing that I got in the package, so I'm so excited to try these out. If you guys are interested, definitely go check out their products. I've heard that they're really good for keeping you hydrated. Like I know my boyfriend's friends that play football, they use this to like stay hydrated and to get like enough electrolytes back. And also my sister uses them, literally has some in her pantry right now. She says they've saved her life whenever she's like hungover and stuff. So I think that this is gonna be a really good product for me to try, especially since I'm like always dehydrated and dying. So here is some things about them really quickly. Non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, 2 to 3 times more hydration than water alone, using cellular transport technology, 3 times the electrolytes, 5 essential vitamins, B5, B3, B6, B12, and vitamin C, and great taste. With each purchase you make, we donate a serving of Liquid IV to someone in need. I love this brand. Like so far, I've never tried these products before, so I'm going to try one now. My sister did say that it tastes like salt water, so my review. It's definitely like salty in a weird way. The berry in it is very strong, so it's not like just salt water, but that is so strange. Like just from the taste, I'm not milking this just because they sent this to me, but like I know, like I can taste like how that would be like hydrating, because you can just like taste that it's very, I don't know. But go follow my Instagram and to see me setting up for this picture. Just kidding. I'm gonna take a trip to the campus store because I'm like in a weird state where I don't want to sleep, but I don't want to like be awake. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. If they have sushi, I am copping it. I love sushi. If you haven't been on my channel recently or like haven't seen all my vlogs, I don't even know if I've vlogged it, maybe a little bit, but I'll show you guys what they have, kind of what I look for. Let's go. And by the way, we're on a tornado watch. It really be warm outside. For what? There's so much ice in there. My matcha isn't great. I was gonna add some more vanilla that I have here to it because it just does not taste good. I'm gonna turn on my lights. I saw this video the other day that's like, sorry. Whatever. It's like, are you more of a lights on, like this light on type person, or like a bunch of lights throughout the room on, but not that light on? And that's me. I like to turn on literally every light except my big light because that's too bright. Too bright. Turn this light on. This light on. Turn this light on. And I have so many drinks going on right now. I'm going to watch some Friends, and since I can't log into my HBO Max right now, I'm gonna watch it on my computer because I do not have a TV in my room, which I've noticed is a little bit weird because a lot of people have TVs in their room. I don't, because I was like, I'll just watch it on my computer. I'm gonna set this up and watch some episodes of Friends before my Zoom discussion very soon.
You said I could make dessert this year.
You're gonna cook something?
Yeah, I cook.
Offering people gum is not cooking.
I promised her. But Rachel, are you sure you didn't want to start out with something as big as Thanksgiving dinner? I mean, maybe you want to try a little Thanksgiving breakfast, maybe Thanksgiving snack.
These layers. First there's a layer of ladyfingers, then a layer of jam, then custard, which I made from scratch. Then raspberries, more ladyfingers, then beef sauteed with peas and onions, then a little bit more custard, and then bananas, and then I just put some whipped cream on top.
What was the one right before bananas?
The beef? Yeah, that was weird to me too. But then, you know, I thought, well, there's minced meat pie. I mean, that's an English dessert. These people just put very strange things in their food. And while I'm gone, don't you boys sneak a taste.
On chapter 8. Oh.
You're muted.
Yeah, I know. I suck. in the chapter 8 worksheet.
So I don't even know.
I don't know if you need this mechanism unless it's on the list of ones you need to know, but I can show it to you. And let me make sure I'm showing the right one. Probably not drawing this like completely accurately, but wait a second. I don't think I'm doing this right. Are you sure you need to know this?
I didn't know about
So basically, I remember from O3 DMS. Oh my gosh, is when you cut a double bond with O3 DMS, you just have to know like O3 is going to cut it. You're going to create two things. You're going to create two O double bonded O's. So this is going to create an O here.
Okay, that makes so much more sense. Thank you so much.
No problem. That went really well. I feel like they had so many questions, and sometimes I just sit here, not that they have to have questions, but sometimes I just sit here and I'm like, ask if you need any help. So I felt really like, I felt very helpful today, which was so nice. I'm gonna watch more Friends because that's the type of day I'm having, is like, I don't want to get out of bed.
You're right. What can I say? But hey,
You in the second grade? Hey, man, you're the one who wet his pants.
Tommy. Crazy night.
GOC doesn't pick up 3 times straight, 3 calls.
Not this story.
And you know I don't like being left undelivered over the phone, especially.
Will you tell the
I
story?
go for the big dog, full-time on call.
No, I don't want this. Tell the story.
She picks up. This girl walked up to us.
Is this real?
This girl walked up to us when we were getting in the elevator, and she asked us, "Do I smell?" I knew immediately. I was like, "We're about to have an incident." And this goes, "Smell like what?"
With her walkie in her face.
Yeah, with our walkies out and everything. And the girl goes, "Like weed?"
Clicked the button. She was like, just to do a little reenactment. Well, like that.
Yeah, and she's like, "Fuck."
It's actually crazy.
Right?
Did you say it or did Hadley say that?
We didn't say anything. Home. Wow.
We get 2 McChickens.
Can't wait to get my order. I got me a Happy Meal.
Hopefully we got different ones this time because they're both Mario Kart, and last time we got Donkey Kong.
So true.
So hopefully we at least get Mario. I want Mario.
I got a chicken sandwich.
And I got a cheeseburger. And then add on.
I also got fries.
Oh, I got a 10-piece nugget.
I also got spicy chicken sandwich.
So you got 2 sandwiches? So we're not on the same level.
What?
What'd you get?
Read it and weep. A Happy Meal, Mario Kart toy, Land, Air, and Sea on the menu hack. 3 of them.
3?
Yeah. You can cut it.
Right now?
Just open this display case right now. I'm feeling it though.
Today
And then
Mario.
Well, we don't know yet. We can't see his face. Something tells me he's going to be another anonymous driver.
That was so much fun. I ate so much, but I was so hungry today, so I'm glad that I got some food in me. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't really have anything else. It is 1:08 a.m. I do not usually stay up this late, but I am in Friday mode. I don't know why. Anyways, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thanks for coming along with me. I am trying to make this content interesting because I feel like daily vlogs are hard because I feel like I'm boring and I'm like, why are people watching this? But hopefully you guys can get something out of it and enjoy it. Let me know if you want different content or what you want to see in my vlogs, and I would love to show you guys. I just want you guys to be happy with my videos and like what I'm making. Be sure to use my code Hadley'sHappiness at checkout with Liquid IV, or use the link in my description. Good night. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.